I have finished all the edging around the room. So something that I can remember from the first few times I did this, this is what I think of as the freak out phase. When you've either cut in the walls but you haven't painted the body part, or you've painted the walls but you haven't cut in the edges yet. And it can really play with the color, and it can kind of mess with your mind and what you envisioned. It's really important to know that what is around a color affects what the color looks like. So what this color looks like right now is being affected by you being able to see this. So as soon as this is all one color, it's actually going to potentially feel like a different color than it does now. So it's helpful to really trust your instincts about your color and to not freak out at this phase, and at least make sure you get a full coat on the walls before you say yay or nay to the color. Sometimes you can tell right away that like you really don't like how a color looks, but I find that most of the time you need to get the whole wall covered in the paint color that you want before you can really get a good sense of that. Having done this for probably 10 years now, I have a pretty good idea of what it's going to look like on the wall. When you're first starting out, it can be a little harder to choose color because color on a chip and color on the wall, sometimes you can't tell the nuances in the chip. So definitely seek out some help if you are doing it.